Just singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. Tem hora que não é bem assim que ficamos quando chove, não é mesmo? Hi there, I'm Edson, your English teacher. Let's jump in our English class. Em uma das nossas aulas vimos a previsão do tempo na TV. Are there other ways to know about the weather? Let's check. Look at the images here. What's the weather like now? Very good. It's cloudy. Look. There are clouds most of the day. How do we know it? There are clouds most of the day, so the day is mostly cloudy. Now, look here. This forecast is presented a minute by minute or hour by hour. Very good. Letter B. It's an hourly forecast. Hourly. And a forecast day by day. It's a daily forecast. Daily. Now you. And a forecast week by week. It's a weekly forecast. Very good. And a forecast month by month. It's a monthly forecast. Wow, you were amazing. Now, look at here. What image represents the sunset? Yeah, the sun. Look at this image. What is the sunset? A, when the sun disappears at the end of the day, or B, when the sun appears in the mornings? Yes, it's when the sun disappears at the end of the day. And what time will the sunset be in Rio today? Very good. At 5:42 p.m. Well, now you know exactly the time to see the sunset at Arpoador. Wow, what a wonderful view. Now tell me, what time is the sunrise? Yes, at 6:04 a.m. And what image represents the sunrise? Image A, B, or C? That's it. Image A. Look at this part. What will the maximum temperature be? Look for a number. Yes, 23 degrees Celsius. The high will be 23 degrees Celsius. High, the maximum. And what about the minimum? Look for a number. Yes, 19 degrees Celsius. The low will be 19 degrees Celsius. Low, minimum. Awesome. Now tell me, will it rain today? What is the chance of rain? There is a chance of 40% of rain. So, maybe it will rain. Fantastic. The weather is typically hot or cold according to the seasons. Do you remember them? Spring, winter, summer, or fall. Let's check. Spring, winter, summer, fall. Todas as estações do ano são muito prazerosas no Rio, mas eu acho que nada é mais popular que o nosso verão. Ele combina com tudo que há de mais belo e divertido aqui. Mas ele não só deixa o sol do jeito que a gente curte. Com ele vem muita chuva, não é mesmo? E tem época que isso preocupa. Let's check the weekly forecast. Será que está chovendo em algum lugar por aqui? Take a look. How do we know it? Because of showers. Chuvas. No meu aplicativo aparecem chuvas. It will rain here very soon. Now, it informs 30% of storm. Today is Wednesday. What about tomorrow? Will the weather be A, sunny, or B, mostly cloudy? Yes, sunny. And on Friday, will the weather be A, cloudy, or partly cloudy? Yes, partly cloudy. Nem sol o tempo todo, nem nuvem o tempo todo. Partly cloudy. And the other days of the week? What will the weather be like on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday? Will it be A, sunny, or B, rainy? Very good. It will be sunny. And what about the week? We see the sun in most of the days. So, what to say about this week? Complete. This week will be mostly sunny or mostly cloudy. This week will be mostly sunny. Excellent. Well, the rest of the week will be mostly sunny. Perfect. Let's check these sentences. I will see the sunset at Arpoador. Today, it will be mostly cloudy. At what time will the sunset be in Rio de Janeiro today? It will rain today. What is there in common in these sentences? Yes, will is in all of the sentences. With will, we have an idea of present, past, or future. Perfect. Future. Look. Will see and will be. These sentences are affirmative or negative. Yes, they are affirmative. Great. O que precisaríamos para ser negativa? Precisaríamos do not depois do will. Assim, I will see the sunset at Arpoador. In the negative is, I will not see the sunset at Arpoador. Will not, won't. I won't see the sunset at Arpoador. Now, look. Will the sun set and will it? Will changed its position, and at the end of the sentence, there is a question mark. These sentences are a affirmative or interrogative. Yes, they are interrogative. So, in the interrogative, will change the position, and there is a question mark at the end. It's time to practice. Ask a question and answer. Yes, it will, or no, it won't. 23 degrees Celsius will be the maximum for today. Ask a question. Will 23 degrees Celsius be the maximum for today? Well, here I can see. So, I can answer. No, it won't. Today will be mostly sunny. Ask a question. Will it be mostly sunny today? Look. Answer. Yes, it will. Now you. Aqui é quinta. The weather will be mostly rainy today. Ask a question. Will the weather be mostly rainy today? Now answer. Look at the image. No, it won't. Tomorrow it will be partly cloudy. Ask a question. Will it be partly cloudy tomorrow? Look. Now answer. No, it won't. Tem hora que vocês olham o tempo e sentem que não vai ser uma boa aceitar o convite da galera para sair. Eles vêm e dizem, come on, come with us. Aí vocês respondem, I'll take the rain check. Com essa expressão, é como se dissessem de maneira educada que vocês deixarão para outro momento, que por algum motivo vão precisar esperar a próxima oportunidade. I'll take the rain check. A preocupação com as chuvas não é só porque a temperatura vai cair, não é mesmo? Quando elas vêm forte no verão, como fica onde moram? Mas a culpa de tudo encher é só do clima? Não seria o caso de lembrarmos as pessoas também disso aí? It will rain. Vamos lá. Procure uma ou mais imagens que seriam um lembrete sobre as consequências desastrosas que vêm com as chuvas. Escreva bem grande nesse cartaz a previsão. It will rain. Leva para a escola ou a lugares que vocês frequentam. Peçam para deixar sua mensagem em exposição por algum tempo para compartilhar essa reflexão com outras pessoas. Por tantos motivos, o rio e a chuva não combinam, não é mesmo? Agora vocês já sabem. Perguntar e responder sobre a previsão do tempo. Well, we got to the end of this class. Thanks, students. Take care. Bye.